Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by the shop. Come on, goddamn, every time. Go. This is my buddy Howie. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Be a quick one today. My son's back in the hospital, so we've had a pretty busy weekend. But I've got a little teaser here, so let's cut to a teaser that I'm going to have on for next Screwy Tuesday. Here's a little teaser for next week's Screwy Tuesday. Didn't get to it today or this week, but I got the tool post grinder on here and going to be grinding the jaws on this 3-jaw chuck. So I ended up I have a ring that's compressing the jaws in, and we'll get some film of that, but unfortunately it's not for this week. Okay, back from that teaser, and today's video is about a home improvement, hence the title Tool Time. Tool Time Home Improvement. If you've followed my channel over the years, I started off with calling my videos Tool Time, and then I had quickies and shorties. After Tool Time, I decided to go to Tuesday's Tits. That ran for about 8 episodes, and we've been doing Screwy Tuesday. I think we're at number 26, 28, 29. Don't recall off the top of my head. But today's video is about this spaghetti here. I hope you enjoy. It's just a home improvement. It worked out well. I got to play with a couple tools in the shop to do it, and it'll be a fast one, and I hope you enjoy. See you guys next Tuesday. Again, always thanks for your friendship and subscriptions and following my channel. Take care, everybody. And just to close out, my son's doing well. It's his usual issues that he has, and he'll be back out of the hospital here in a couple of days. Well, this is a standard under-counter fluorescent fixture, and I'm going to show you my version of changing it from a fluorescent unit to an LED unit. We've been having such problems. Unfortunately you're handheld, so you have to apologize. Here's the lens off of it. You can see one bulb's working, one isn't. We've been having just a heck of a problem with these bulbs just burning out like crazy. So done with it, and these are 120 volt fixtures, and I'm going to convert them to a 12 volt LED. So I'll take the fixture out, and then we'll take a peek at the whole thing, how it's done. Here's the guts of the fixture, and this fixture here was a 2 bulb, so it took basically a 12-inch and an 18-inch fluorescent. 20-inch fluorescent. The whole fixture here is 33 inches. So we're going to remove all the guts and the holders for the light bulbs, and then what will happen is the LED strip will go onto this face right here. Now, interesting enough, the start of this, 3 of the fixtures are just like this, and the one that I showed you actually had some bolts that attach the fixture. With these, you can see I had a fight to get that guy out. These kind of go into a little, you push back and pull them out. I'm an old man, I guess, and I can't push hard enough to get it, but I got it. So let me strip the fixture. Well, before I do that, I'll just, let me show you. So this guy goes away, and then we're putting in this transformer. So it's 12 volt, 10 watt. I picked these up off of the web for $5 a piece. I went to a store and asked about buying these, and the guy wanted $20 a piece, and I said, well, let me take a photo of it, and I took a picture of it and then just went on the web and found it for $5 each. To buy a fixture of this size in LED, the cost would be around $100 probably, over 75 up to $100 to just buy an under-counter LED fixture. And that's what the guy asked me. He goes, "Here, just buy this." And I said, "Why would I spend $100 when I can do it much cheaper than that?" Along with it, you need, of course, LEDs. And this is the package of LED. And this for $60 for 16 feet. And I need a total of 13 feet to do all my fixtures. Let me gut this, and then we'll come back and talk about mounting the transformer in there. I've already completed one. I did one of the smaller ones, so I'm somewhat educated on what I'm doing here. All right, we'll be back. Transformer's unbolted, but just wanted to show you that the bulb ends, I forget what these are called. There's actually a term for them, but they're held in with little rivets. So we'll just drill out all the rivets and pull all these guys out. Okay, surgery was a success. There's the heartbeat, the heart of the fluorescent fixture. Get rid of that. And so what we have is basically an empty shell here with the ground wire still attached. We still want the ground. So on this unit here, I'll be installing the transformer down at this far end. And it'll go this way so that the 12-volt leads go out to the fixture. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little center punch right there, drill it, and hit it with a couple of pop rivets and put this guy in place. So there's the transformer, just pop riveted into place. The LED will sit on this face right here. So the role of LED, can't speak. I don't know if that'll come up in the camera right there, but there's a little scissors mark there. So you can just take it off there and you can cut it to any length you want. So right now, bring the camera over. I've gone ahead and cut the length of LED that'll sit right here on the fixture like that. So what I need to do now is I need to clean back the little bit of protective coating and then solder onto those copper contacts. And that's what will connect to the wires will connect to the leads here. Okay, next you do a little surgery. So you basically have to take a razor knife and uncover the two copper contacts that are there, that are encased in the plastic, and then solder your wires to those two to make your fixture. I don't know if that's coming in focus or not, but hope you get the idea. I don't know if that's in focus, but if I put seagull droppings on my TIG welding, this is hummingbird droppings on my soldering ability, but they're on there, so I think we're good. Okay, then just hit it with a little shrink wrap tubing on the end of it, and touched it with the battery charger, and 12 volts is good. The light's working, so can put it together. So there's the LED. It's got an adhesive back, so it is applied to the fixture now, and it'll end up sitting like that. So just do my wiring connections and put it back in. This is the fixture that I mentioned in the beginning, the one that had studs with a nut that put it into place rather than clipping. So there's three locations there. So if I'm going to put the LED on this piece, of course, the stud gets in the way. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and added another piece, basically a 1/2 inch, of sheet metal on the side here like that, like the ruler, and then the LED mounts on top of this piece here that I'm adding. So I'm not going to take you through it. I'll show you a photo of one that's completed. The cool thing is I'm having lots of fun. I'm using pop rivets, and then I've got my Whitney Junior punch that I bought the other day. That's popping out 1/8" holes for the pop rivets. It just works cool. You know, of course, you can see some pop rivets there that I've drilled out to remove the ends off of the for the fluorescent tubes. And sure, you can punch the holes with the 1/8" drill for the pop rivets. But I have to tell you, I'm just having lots of fun with this Whitney punch that I picked up the other day. No burrs, just a nice pop hole, and it's ready to go. So anyway, I'll show you a fixture that's already completed. Well, here's the fixture with the added piece of metal on there so that I have something to hang the LEDs to. And the bolt holes come through here. Okay, it's all ready to go hang it. Well, there's the finished product. All the fluorescent fixtures are now changed over to LED and working well. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a little something how you can make the changeover from fluorescent to LED lights. It's not very expensive to do, and it will last. You get a lot of hours. All right, well, that's a wrap.